This is your host, Jack McCaig, and I get asked a lot, what's the Trust 101? McCaig Mastery Edition, what is that? What's that about? It's really our core course here at Liberty Aid Academy. Liberty Aid Academy, right here, look at the upper left. So let's click through here. You really get everything you need here to open up a trust and learn how to operate a non-taxable trust. There we go. A non-taxable trust. So it gives you a list here, gives you a full explanation if you click through. And it gives you all the details of what comes with it. Access to advanced financial solution right here. Like that's how you use it in every way. It has a year's worth of training literally here, plus a year's plus worth of training here on how to use it with case studies and so on. So this is just fantastic. You open up a trust account here, and it's a particular type of trust. In IRS, it's called a 508c1A trust, C1A, see Section 508 of the United States Code, which is the IRS code. Title 26 is the IRS code. So down here, 508, this is where we are, number 508, and then it's like C1A. Okay, so these are exceptions basically. This is, how could I become a 501c3, right? How can I become a 501c3? Meaning tax exempt. How do I get that? Well, usually there's long application, a lot of money you spend. Maybe you get this, maybe you don't. But there is actually another way, and we have a trust for you. It's special rules, and here's C1A, right? It's for churches. Anyone who wants to do a church, sure, you could do that. But it's also for conventions. What's a convention? It's like, I don't know what a convention is. A convention is just any agreement. That's it. So anything, right? Which really means a trust is a type of a business, okay? And it gets, because you're like, oh, well, I don't really know if this is saying this is tax exempt or not. Well, it is. And the IRS gave more instructions in publication 557 here on what a convention is. And it says a convention won't fail to qualify as a church. That's it. See, you can run anything you want, operate any business type you want, have a bank account. So it's like, what is a trust? Okay, a trust is a type of business. This is a type of a particular trust that you have a bank account, own things like vehicles, real estate, anything in the name of a trust, stocks, bonds, whatever. You can operate financially in commerce, business, meaning debit, credit card, banking, so on, with this type of a trust. And it has a great many benefits, getting you out of a lot of taxes like income tax and property tax and so on. So that's what it's about. It trains you how to do it, and we're here for, you get some of my time with it. You get expertise via email as you go through it. Your success is all we care about. So that's what the McCaig Mastery Edition Trust is about. I get that asked a lot. Oh, and so here it is, the Trust 101 McCaig Mastery Edition. All right, thank you.